In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download Pinterest videos. So all you need to do is go to Pinterest, make sure that you find the video that you want to download. I'm assuming that you've already found that video because otherwise you wouldn't be watching this video. So go to that video. Let's see if I can find one. Is this a video? No, let's see. Okay, so this is a video. Let me just mute that. You then want to copy the URL. So make sure that you copy the URL. Then go to Google and search for Pinterest video downloader and click on expertsphp.com. So that's probably going to be the first result for you as well. Then you'll be on this website. You you copy the link, hit download. Now right there, they'll then play the video, but you want to click on these three dots right there, then hit download. And once you do that, it will download a video just like right here. Okay, so 10 seconds left. I'll just prove to you guys that this actually works and that this right here is actually this video. So 1 second left and there you go. Okay, so I clicked a few more times, which I shouldn't have done, but if I just open this file, you'll see that that's actually the video. And that's how you can do this. So if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you go ahead and leave a like. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Have a good day.